Okay, so here's our last example. So let's go and get started on this. So it states that a moving company is trying to store boxes in a storage room with a room length of 5 meters, width of 3 meters, and height of 2 meters. Now it's asking how many boxes can fit in this space if each box is 10 centimeters long, 6 centimeters wide, and 4 centimeters high. So in order to do this, we want to find the volume of the room and the volume of a single box. So let's go ahead and find the volume of the room. So the volume of a room, which I'll indicate by B sub R, is given by the volume of a rectangular prism, which is equal to width times length times our altitude. So let's go ahead and plug in what we know. So width is of our room is given by 3 centimeters. So that's 3 times a length of 5, so 3 times 5. And the room is 2 meters high times 2, so our altitude is 2. So 5 times 3 is 15, 15 times 2 is 30 meters cubed. So that is the volume of our room. So let's go ahead and find the volume of a box, so which I'll indicate by VB. So volume of the box is given by a rectangular prism since it is a box. So in this case, it's going to be width times length as well times altitude. So a box is given with a width of 6 centimeters, length of 10 centimeters, and is 4 centimeters high, so altitude is 4. So 4 times 6 is 24, 24 times 10 is 240 centimeters cubed. So we want to find how many of these boxes will fit in this room. But here's the thing. We have our boxes in centimeters, whereas our room is in meters. So we need to convert one of these to the same units. So recall that meters is our initial unit, then goes down to, I believe, decimeters, then we go down to centimeters. So that's 2 decimal places back. So that's to say that there are 100 centimeters is equal in a single meter. So what we could do is we could convert the box in terms of meters. So in order to do that, we would do 240 divided by 100, which gives us 2.4 meters cubed. So 240 centimeters cubed converts to 2.4 meters cubed. So in order to find how many boxes can fit inside this room of 30 meters cubed, if each box is 24 meters cubed, what we can do is we can set up an equation. That equation would be 30 meters cubed divided by 2.4 meters cubed. So this will give us how many boxes can fit in this room, given that each box is 2.4 meters cubed and the room has a volume of 30 meters cubed. So plugging that into a calculator, we get 30 divided by 2.4. That's 12.5, but I don't believe we have any boxes, so therefore our answer would be 12 boxes. And if we were to add one more box, then we wouldn't have any more room. So that's why we don't round up. And once again, we do not have half boxes. So therefore, we would be able to fit 12 boxes into this room, given that each box has a volume of 2.4 meters cubed and the room is 30 meters cubed. So once again, you want to look for what it's asking, what information it's given. So in this case, it did not give us the same units for the room and the box. The box gave centimeters while the room had meters as a unit. So you had to convert one to the other before finding your actual answer. And once again, it wasn't asking us to find the volume of each figure. It wanted us to find how many boxes we could fit into the room, which we found by taking the volume of our room, dividing by the volume of each box to find out how many boxes can fit into this room. So again, write that down and then move on to the next video.